Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make screen color normal on Android. So if your Android screen color just changed and you don't know how you got here and you want to return this back to normal, then here's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make screen color back to normal on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility. So go ahead and select accessibility. Under accessibility, click on vision enhancement. Once you selected vision enhancement, there are a lot of options you could toggle off here to make sure you bring back your Android phone color back to normal. Then, first click on high contrast theme. Select none. Then you'll see applying theme. Hang on, this might take a couple of seconds and you may need internet access to confirm this. Then once you see that it's turned on, go back again and still open the settings app on your Samsung. So just go back to the settings again, hit the back button, then locate color inversion and turn this off. Then scroll down, locate color correction. If color correction is enabled, disable it. And again, if color filter is turned on, let's say this is turned on, you want to go ahead and turn this off. Then you should see your Android phone color back to normal. So that is basically how to make screen color normal on Android. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.